Is high sensitivity a superpower? Well, when you can smell everything on the bus and you feel travel sick, no. And when you can't keep bright flickering light out of your eyes and you're likely to get a migraine, no. And when you've spent an hour listening to your friend's problems and come away feeling totally drained, no. But if you learn to manage these situations better, you can feel good most of the time and stay in your own good energy. So here are some things that you can do to help with your high sensitivity. You can acknowledge your sensitivity. Don't deny and force yourself to be in situations which you actually find are too much for you. I did this for years and it didn't work. Number 2, learn to adapt in your situations to maintain your well-being. So if the high sensitivity feels a bit high maintenance, that's okay. You can look after yourself because you know yourself best and what will work well for you in those situations, or not being in those situations, for example. Number 3, learn to be really centered in your own energy. And this is brilliant for helping you to feel more calm, less anxious, less scattered, less away with the fairies, and it will hold you in good stead in the company of other people as well, to just stay in your energy no matter what state they are in and come away still feeling good. Did you know that highly sensitive people have incredible intuition? This is my experience with working with highly sensitive people over the years. So rather than getting overwhelmed by situations in work or relationships, you can learn to manage your energy really well and use your intuition to guide you. So this doesn't mean you have to become a psychic medium. This just means that you follow your feelings, your gut feelings, the things that you know for yourself to be true. And when you do this, you will get the vibe about people and know whether they're really telling the truth, for example, whether you want to be around them. And instead of going against that and staying in situations which perhaps aren't beneficial for you, you can decide not to be there or not to spend so much time with those people, for example. You can harness energy techniques to the maximum in any situation and come out feeling great. So in my opinion, energy techniques are the superpowers that we need as highly sensitive people to be able to thrive, to be in situations that might be challenging, but we want to be in, and following our intuition so that we follow how we're feeling, and be our own personal guide through life so that we can maintain our good energy, happiness, and do the things that we want to do. If you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and you're welcome to join my Calm Living community. I'll drop a link in the description box. And what of your sensitivities do you consider to be your superpower? Do drop a comment below. I'd be really interested to find out. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye for now.